What's up, y'all? How's your Saturday going? Here I am. I finished journaling and I'm getting ready for the day. I'm having a slow start intentionally because I feel like I've been awake for so long. And don't be fooled by this little glow. I could still use another 2 or 3 hours of sleep, but I love to be up when the sun is up. It's just, we're like this, you know? But how are you feeling? Is there anything that you have reflected upon this past week that you are grateful for? Give me the tea. What's going on? But I'm so excited to be here with y'all. We're almost 1 week in. Oh no, today's, wait, why did I write 10/8? Oh my god, I wrote the wrong date on my journal. It's not 10/8, it's 10/7. We've been here for a week. Aren't you so proud of yourself? Let's have a round of applause. Applause. A round of applause. Who's going to see that Renaissance movie? Yes or no? But today, I am grateful. I'm in like a reflective, grateful mood and just taking things as they come today. Ready to spend the day off of socials and just pouring into myself, cleaning my space, blessing my space, and going outside while the sun is still out. But yeah, that's how I'm feeling for the day. And to pick your brain, I want you to find something, not me picking my own brain. To pick your brain, I want you to bless someone. It doesn't have to be financially, it can be in the smallest ways, where maybe ask someone, hey, do you need help with anything? I really care about you. Or maybe even extending or expressing your care for someone. I challenge you today to remind someone how grateful you are to have them in your life. I feel like that's something that we could do more, and I can start with you and say I'm so grateful that you're here. I don't know when you're showing up, but if you're showing up, I know it's because you want to show up for you, and that to me changes the world. But that's my challenge for you today. The song of the day is, I was just listening. Listen, when I like something, I run it to the ground, okay? When I like something, I want to say Only Love Can Wait. Because as I've been journaling, I've been listening to the song as I've been journaling. So it's Only Love Can Wait by Cleo Sol. You already know the vibes. You see this beautiful, beautiful album cover. So beautiful. This is a Cleo stan page. A Cleo Thames Rihanna stan page. A Cleo Thames Rihanna Beyonce stan page. I just have to let you know. I am such a stan. But that's the song of the day for me. Put me onto a song. What have you heard lately or been listening to that has, I don't know, made you feel better or made you feel worse? I don't know. But anyways, now that we've got those out of the way, I definitely want to hear more from you guys, because I could sit here and talk about that all day long, but I definitely want to connect with you guys. And if you have any questions or you have any things that you want me to talk about, feel free to let me know, because I'm so open to conversing about other topics. I don't know if you've checked out any of my gray matter videos. I definitely want to get back into those, but I had received some like feedback from my sister, and she was like, you know, these are basically like vlogs. And I'm like, yeah, they're vlogs. But she was just like, I kind of want to hear the vlogs too. And I'm like, but that's not the point. The point is to be listening to the deeper message and be connected to that essence of life. You're seeing the essence of life on screen, but you're tapping into the roots. So I've been a little like, how do I want to go about that, because it can be distracting. My mind definitely works very fast, but not everybody's mind does. So trying to make sure that it is, the messages are digested easily before I step back into doing those videos, because I love doing them. But let's move into the affirmation section, because I know that's why you're here, and we're just gonna freestyle it like we usually do. Today's topic is turning knowledge into wisdom. I am blessed to know the things that I know, and to be able to use them with the resources I have access to better myself. I understand that as much as I know, there is an array of things that I don't know. And I'm okay with that. I embrace the unknown for the opportunity that it has to offer. I show up every day with a smile on my face and with an open heart to embrace things as they come. I understand that as much knowledge as I have, wisdom is when I actually apply that knowledge. I have so much more life to live. God has so much in store for me. And is still writing my story. Adding His glory to everything that I do. And with everything that I do, I give thanks. Gratitude is easy for me to express. Saying thank you is a blessing in and of itself. And I know that each time I extend gratitude and grace, it washes over me 3 times over. I treat other people as well as myself with kindness. I allow myself to be fully whole, unapologetically. I know as busy as my day can get, I will always have time for me. Showing up for myself, as well as others, comes naturally to me. I am grateful that I still have work to do. I am honored to be who I am. To bless this earth with my presence, because I know that my presence has purpose. I want to say that again. Because I know that my presence has purpose. There is a reason why I was put here on earth. And as I continue on this journey called life, I allow my story to unfold and unravel beautifully. Today, I am choosing the path of least resistance. I am prioritizing rest when I need it most, especially. I am saying thank you for my situation. Because I know that I still have much to learn and much to grow. And yet, I love who I am. I love who I am. I know that I am on this journey to continue to learn myself and grow and heal And yet, I love who I am currently. I love who I am currently. Look in the mirror when you say that. I love who I am currently. There are so many people who enjoy my presence. There are so many people who enjoy my essence, who love me wholly for my quirks, for the things that make me, me. I am special. I am unique. And I am loved for who I am freely. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope you continue to move throughout your day with grace and gratitude. And the piece of advice that I'm going to give you is don't think too much, just do it. Tap into you and trust. Trust. Okay? Trust. Connect with those people who make you feel like you can be 100% you. And talk to those people less who don't make you feel that way. Because whatever you give your attention to will grow stronger. Those bonds will grow stronger. And the ones that you don't tap into and feed into, they'll fade away like nothing. I know it's hard. It can be, not hard, I don't like that word. Y'all know me. I don't like that word. It can be challenging, but the benefits in the long run, you'll be so thankful. You will be so thankful. So with that, I leave you and I say I will see you tomorrow. Keep showing up for yourself and drink your water and mind your business. Okay, bye.